Okay, today I'm down in my lazarette, and when I was working on grounding my fuel tank and upgrading the grounding for that, I noticed that there was a little corrosion, surface corrosion on the top of the tank, which I don't think is great. So now I'm gonna, each project, one project begets another project, and that begets another project. So I'm down here looking at the tank. I'll show you what I mean. So there you can see some surface corrosion there. Further in, that is a strap, but that strap is over the top of some surface corrosion there. And then there's further corrosion as we go in further. So that's not great. We got some Rust-Oleum, basically, that I'm going to coat over the top of that. I've got some cleaner I'm going to use to clean the surface here a little better. Then there is a second product that's like a primer or an etcher, a metal etcher that I apply. And then finally, I paint the surface. So I'm going to do that. I don't know. Again, I'm going to show you the tank. And you can see that there's a lot of stuff in here, right? There's hoses and wires and a bunch of stuff, bands that are holding the tank in place. The grounding that I recently put on the tank. I don't plan to pull all this stuff out. I plan to basically coat where I see problems, in short. So it's not going to be a nice, clean finish down here, but this is down under my cockpit sole. So I think that's fine. In the end, all we're trying to do is prevent rust down here and maintain the integrity of the tank. So that's what I'm going to do today. Okay, I'm still in this lazarette. I spent about an hour and a half down here just scrubbing away at this tank and degreasing it basically, and give it a little bit of a rinse. And now what I'm going to do is take the next piece of the process, which is kind of like a primer or a metal etcher, and the instructions say to just kind of like wet the surfaces with this using either a brush or a roller or a spray. I'm going to use a damp rag. I'm basically going to take it and wet the rag with the solution and then wipe it down on the exposed areas. So that's the next step. I'll show you what I'm doing here. But here's what the surfaces look like at this point. Okay, you can see I've got a couple zip ties here and then back there, and those zip ties are just holding up bands so that I have a fair run at these exposed areas. Okay, here's that etcher, and here's my rag. Oh, I've got a tin foil cover that I just opened up. There you go. I just poured some of that into this rag. Now we will apply this solution onto these areas of the tank. Yep. There we go. That was a nice healthy pour. Okay, I just went over these areas with a wet cloth after treating the problem areas with the etching solution. So let me show you what it looks like. There we go. Just went over this with a damp cloth and I'm going to let it dry. All right, last week I prepped my diesel fuel tank for some rust preventive coating. Acquired a product called Pore 15. I'll show you here. You can see I have a degreaser, a prep product, and the rust preventative coating itself. So last week I applied that degreaser and metal prep thoroughly, and now it's time to coat the tank where these problem areas are. So, all right, the fumes from this product are pretty significant, so I put on the mask. So I want to thank my subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you've stayed to the end of this video, please consider hitting that like button. It would really help this channel grow. This is Sailor Eric. Thanks for watching.